In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use and organize Notion in Google Chrome. If you're new to Notion or just looking to get a bit more organized, this guide is just for you. So let's dive in and explore how you can make the most out of Notion's sidebar for a seamless and efficient workflow. First things first, let's start by opening Notion in your Google Chrome browser. This can usually be done by simply navigating to the Notion website and logging into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, you should see your Notion workspace. To get started on organizing your workspace, take a look at the left sidebar. This is where most of your navigation will happen, making it a critical component of your Notion dashboard. On the left sidebar, you'll want to click on the plus add a page button. This allows you to create a new page or folder for whatever project or note-taking you might need. Start by creating a page that you need, or if you already have pages created that you want to work with, you can start with those. Once you have your pages created, it's time to organize them effectively. To keep everything neat and accessible, you can drag your pages right into the sidebar. This quick and easy action will give you the ability to see all your important and frequently used pages at a glance. If there are pages you use particularly often, consider adding them to your favorites. You can do this by either dropping them under the Favorites section in the sidebar or simply right-clicking on the page and selecting Add to Favorites. Having a Favorites section is incredibly handy, especially when you're managing multiple projects or pieces of information. Now let's talk about the power of organizing your sidebar. You have the ability to drag your pages up and down within the sidebar to reorder them. This is particularly useful if you want to prioritize certain tasks or if you have a set order for dealing with your projects. Reordering them will ensure that you're seeing the most important items right at the top or in whatever sequence best suits your needs. Remember, the sidebar serves as your main hub for navigating Notion. Keeping it well organized can really enhance your productivity, so take the time to configure it in a way that aligns perfectly with your workflow. Whether you're managing work projects, personal tasks, or just organizing your thoughts, a well-structured sidebar is your best friend. And there you have it, a simple but comprehensive way to make the most of Notion's sidebar in Chrome. By utilizing these steps, you'll find that navigating through your pages and accessing your favorite content becomes a breeze. Catch you next time with more tips to streamline your digital life.